Hey, welcome back to Rusty's Garage. Getting ready to work on my lawnmower. This Gravely Pro Turn 148. The hydrostat belt broke. Made a couple of laps the other day, and the belt broke, and when it did, it broke off the cooling fan on that side, and so I got a new one of those, got a new belt. Got to lift this thing up. I'm going to use this Kubota, my sister's Kubota, brother-in-law. Going to use it to lift the back of this thing up where I can take the clutch pulley off, and got to take that off to get the belt over it, and then put that clutch back on. And the best way I thought of to do it would be to lift it up and do it from under the bottom. It was broken out on the grass, and I pulled it over here with a truck and fixing to try to do this thing on this driveway. Stay tuned. Okay, I got this thing lifted up off the ground, but first thing you got to do is release the tension on this spring for the deck belt. It goes back to the PTO. So I'm going to do that. Got the PTO taken off, and then that'll let the the belt drop down where I can take the PTO off and get the drive belt on there. Okay, so to route the belt, you go around each one of these fan pulleys that turns the hydrostat for each side, and then you have to take one of the little hydraulic reservoirs loose on the right side so that the belt can go in over it, and it goes back to the motor. All right, to put this belt on, I had to take this electric clutch off. See the line-up point right here? This little rubber bushing goes inside this little U-bracket. When you take this off, this all falls down. You gotta make sure you put your keys back in there, where you got your keyway in the shaft. But then you put the belt for the drive unit on this pulley first, and then you put this back on. You have to hold it with a big wrench on that. Up in there is a little hex area. Just hold it with a big crescent wrench where you can tighten it. That's how that's done. So you tighten that sucker back up. I want to show you how I put these tensioner springs back on. I use a socket, and I pull it, get it over the head, and you drop that thing down on there. Whenever it comes off the socket, it just drops down on there. So every once in a while, you're going to have to make a payment on one of these things in the way of maintenance. But got the belt on, fixing to put this cooling fan on, and I've got it at the Gravely dealer. It was like $21 tax and all. The belt was a Gates belt. There's the number, and it was $18. And so every once in a while you have to spend a little bit on these things. You have to change the oils in them and stuff. This thing's actually only got let's see what it says here. Can't get it to work. Okay, to change the little cooling fan, put a 15/16 wrench from the bottom on that shaft to hold it, and a 3/4 inch on top up here to be able to take that off. And that's tight. Try it from this side. Got it. So that sucker's going to have tension on it from that tensioner. And probably need to go ahead and take that loose. Okay, I'm getting ready to put the cooling fan back on that hydrostat motor right there. It takes a 3/4 inch wrench on top. I've got a 15/16 wrench under the bottom holding the shaft on it, and I've already broke it loose. This thing was 21 bucks tax and all, I believe it was, and this was 18 bucks for the belt. You ought to be able to do this yourself unless if you don't completely have manure for brains. But if you do, you don't want to be fooling with it. You'll just take it to somebody, take it to a shop and pay double or more. And this stuff's fairly easy. Just do a little maintenance yourself at home, save a few bucks. All right, so I got the fan on. You want to torque that bolt to a good grunt and a fart. You don't want to break that shaft off, so you just tighten it up till you grunt and then fart just a little bit, and it'll be good to go. So now I got to put the tension spring back on that holds the drive belt tension, and I want to show you how I do that. All right, so I'm putting the tensioner back on. If you'll see that spring right there, come on, focus. That spring right there. So I'm going to wrap this piece of banding around it where I can make a pull. If I can get the camera. And then you hook it. And then you pull this out. Pull that banding out. That's hooked. See that? Got this tensioner back on. Okay, so I'm calling this one done. Got it all back together. And time to use the thing. Gravely Pro Term 148. Replace the drive belt.